Sand Hill Cove is a good place. Darn good place to go.
We would go down to that part of the beach, and it was just magical. We'd go all the way down to the breakwaters. It was like quite a walk down there. It was 2 years ago. I was having trouble with breathing. My sister likes to go to one end of the beach, and I like to go to the other end of the beach. And I went to her end of the beach to see her, and it's a long walk. I got there, and I just had to sit down and regroup because I couldn't breathe at all. I did not realize I was having heart issues. I went to Dr. Kochi. He sent me to Dr. Selke, and that's when Dr. Selke said that I needed to have heart surgery. And now I can actually breathe, which is huge, because everything I did, just even walking up and down the stairs, was an effort. And John, of course, couldn't breathe either. Dr. Gordon did his surgery.
The part of the procedure, of course, was when they put the wire up there, and it was a tool that they used to go into the heart, catch the heart valve that was giving the problem, and put little clamps in. And there's 3 clamps in my heart right now. Dr. Gordon wanted to go slow because of my age. He wanted to try the clips first, as I mentioned earlier, and then from there we see how things progress.
John went in on March 20th, and on the 22nd of March, I went in, and before I knew it, I was done.
We're out of the driveway here at 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning to get down to the beach. They haven't even opened it up yet, but we're there. I enjoy, and the wife enjoys now, just sitting and relaxing. And I watch. And I enjoy the heat.
Rhode Island Hospital is one of the best facilities on the East Coast, I think. John swears by it.
If I was out of town, I'd make sure I end up back at Rhode Island Hospital. And that's no joke. That's no joke. They're damn good people.
I cannot say enough good things about that team. I couldn't have asked for anything better.